Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this book, Jab, 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 Right Hook by Gary Vaynerchuk. In this video review, I'll be going over my thoughts and opinions on this book. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First and foremost, I am a huge fan of Gary Vaynerchuk, and I love reading his books simply because I love the way that he thinks, and you can sort of feel the way that he thinks as you read the words that he writes. Now, with that being said, this is a great book, and it tells you exactly what it says on the cover right here, how to tell your story in a noisy social world. So with that being said, this book is basically about telling you the skills that you should use and what you should do to market yourself, your business, or your brand in social media. Now, I like the way that it's been divided up because it's divided up in a way that addresses each social media network or website individually. And that's a great thing because what you do on one social media network is not going to be the exact same thing that you should be doing on another social media network. So he addresses each social media aspect individually. Now, with that being said, the way that the internet is and the way that social media is, it changes at a really rapid rate. It changes really frequently. And this book is actually several years old. So with that being said, some of the specifics in the book have changed. But what I like about this book and what I loved about reading the book is the fact that the ideas, the thoughts that he's portraying, the actions, they're still true. And they will be true even in 10 or 20 years from now. Now, with regards to the title, you can see it says jab, 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 right hook. Those are boxing terms. And Gary Vaynerchuk is comparing those boxing terms to what you would do on social media. The jabs are sort of like the things that you give for free. So if you're on social media and you're constantly putting out content for free, valuable content for free, those are the jabs. And then the right hook, well, that's like when you ask for something in return. That's like when you go to the audience that you've built up and you basically ask them for something in return for having given them so much valuable content over the last several months or weeks or whatever the case is. So I really like it because he actually compared these common boxing words to what you would do on social media, and it holds true. Now, many people seem to think you give, and then you take. But that is not the way that I think about it. After reading this book, I like to think about it as give, and then ask. You're not taking anything from your audience, you're simply asking them. And what I really love about it is that, like I said, the ideas that he portrays about putting out valuable content still hold true today. And the other awesome thing that I loved about the book was the fact that he showed many examples. So within the social media networks and websites that he's talking about, he actually showed the things that you should do and gave examples of great content that people and businesses and brands put out. And then he also showed the things that you shouldn't do, the fails, the ones that didn't go so well. And by the time that you finished reading this book, because you've heard about the strategies within the writing, you've seen examples of what you should do and also examples of what you shouldn't do, you'll be better prepared to market yourself, your business, or your brand on social media. And that's why I love this book. Like I said, it's several years old, so some of the specifics of the book have changed. Some of the things that he mentions in the book have changed, but the ideas, the mentality that he's trying to make you understand still holds very true and will still allow you to succeed in social media nowadays. And whether you are, in a complete humongous business or you're just an individual person trying to market yourself, you should be on social media telling your story. And this book tells you exactly how to do that. And that's basically it. In this video review, I just wanted to go over my thoughts and my opinion on this book, Jab, 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 Right Hook by Gary Vaynerchuk. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.